Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you how to record on Xbox Game Bar. So with Xbox Game Bar, you don't need an extra program. This encoder, this recorder right here is already built into your computer. You don't need OBS, you don't need anything else. Any game that you go on, any application that you go on, any screen, you can record, okay? So I'm going to show you right here. So if you didn't see my other video, definitely check it out. It's going to be in the description below of what Xbox Game Bar is. But for now, we're going to hit flag G and flag G again. And we can hit record. Sorry. We need to be on an actual application like I was saying. So let's go to a game here. We're going to go to... Let's go to Sims 4 again. We'll go to Sims 4. We'll record something. Never mind. We're not going to Sims 4. Hold on one second. Yeah, we're going to go to another game. Wait. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to record on Xbox Game Bar here. So we just need to go to an actual like game or web application here. As you can see, I can't start recording yet until I'm on a Windows desktop or a File Explorer or on a game or anything that's like, object, or like, so for instance, like for here capture, if you want to do a shortcut here, it's flag Alt R if you want to record on wherever you're doing. So example, right? We could record OBS, right? This is OBS. This is a whole like perioxygen right here. So right, so we'll go, flag here. We're on OBS. Record. Wait, record. Oh, there we go. All right, so now it's recording. On the top right here, okay? On the top right, it's going to show a red button, okay? So now you can do whatever you want to, and it's going to keep recording. Now, I don't think you can move it. It's the most craziest thing ever, but yeah, so, you can move it around, whatever. Oh, stop recording. Okay, so once you move away from the application and may stop recording, let's go to a game here so we can actually show you what's really going on. For the most part here. So I'm gonna find a game here. I think I'm just gonna launch let's see, Dreamlight Valley. Why not, right? Let's do Dreamlight Valley. Let's see what that's about, right? I haven't been on there in decades, actually. I've been on there in forever. Xbox controller is not connected to PC, but yeah, so every time you turn on, as you can see, GeForce is also another thing. But we're going to hit there, and we're going to hit record. All right, it should start recording here soon. You can also do the shortcut. As you can see on the top right, it is now recording. No OBS. I'm recording right now. I'm recording.
There once was a dream.
You know what I'm saying?
In which
so here we go. So you can record any game, anything,
in harmony.
This is Dreamlight Valley.
As time passed,
right,
the forgetting set in.
Right, so then once you're done, you're gonna hit stop here, right? You're gonna hit stop. Okay. Flag stop. There we go. Clip done. Done recorded. And as you can see, it's on my most recent up here, right? So let's go here. I'm gonna exit out of this. Close. Now that that's done here, we are gonna go to the Xbox Hub again. We're going to go to our captures up top, our gallery. And we're going to hit play. All right. And then you can cast it to a screen if you want to. I think you could double click to make it bigger, maybe.
There once was a dream world.
There we go.
Familiar friends, from the most heroic
Look at that.
The most villainous.
Dope, right?
In harmony. However,
cool stuff. So once you do that, you can open file location. You can do what you want. You can edit it. You know what I'm saying? Go on Clipchamp. Do whatever you want to. Remix it. Things like that. And yeah, definitely check this out, man. I think it's a cool thing. If you don't want to use OBS, if you don't want complexity or all that extraterrestrial stuff, you can just use the Xbox Game Bar. And there's also NVIDIA GeForce. But that's for another video. But you already know what it is, man. If you have any questions, concerns, or whatever, definitely leave it in the comment section. And subscribe, man. Leave a like, let me know that you're liking these videos. Let me know what's going on for real. And if you have any questions about it, let me know again. All right? Well, let's get it. Let's go. I'm going to see you on the next video. Peace.